Hi guys, let's learn the match function in Google Sheets. So let's type match function. Now the first parameter is the search key. So let's say we want to find this value 70456, where it is, what is its position, then put comma. The second parameter is the range. So this is the range in which we have to find E1 to E5. Now the third parameter is the search type. And there are three search types: -1, 1, and 0. So if we type 0, then it'll find the exact match. Let's type, and it has found the exact match. The third 70456 is found in the third row. Okay. Now let's say there are other two parameters as well. There is 1 and -1. Let's learn them both. So what one does, the one does is it's assumed that the range is sorted in the ascending order, and it returns the largest value less than or equal to the search key. So let's say we want to find this 70000, okay, and we change the parameter to 1, okay, and hit enter. And it finds that this is the largest value less than or equal to 70,000. Okay, let's find it by changing it to -1. So if you want to change it to -1, then we have to sort it in descending order. And now change it to -1. Hit enter, and it shows the third value. The third value is the smallest value greater than or equal to the given search parameter. Okay, so this is how you can use the match function. Thanks for watching. Please